Hey guys, what's happening? How to track sleep in GoogleFit. To track sleep in GoogleFit, connect a compatible app like Fitbit, Sleep as Android, or in my case, I'm using iPhone, so I'm gonna turn on the Apple Health and just turn the switch on, okay? And automatically it will sync data, okay? And or manually you can add entries by tapping the plus icon and go ahead and press sleep, okay? And just record your sleeping time, right? So you're sleeping at 8 p.m. You're waking up at 4 a.m. So track that sleep and track the sleep and track your sleep, and Google Fit will tell you if you are breaching or in more balanced work life balance, right? Or you have a healthy lifestyle. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.